When we work with any medical spa or any company, we usually do an AI audit, which is a consulting process to discover AI opportunities. And so here on the screen, you can see a visual representation of what it is. So this is how we work. It is in three phases. Phase one, the process audit, where we do a bunch of interviews with a team. Phase two, opportunity matrix, where we rank all use cases or opportunities on a matrix based on difficulty and impact. And phase three is calculating the ROI. So in phase one, this is basically the 80/20 of the whole consulting process of the audit. Here we speak with the team. Usually it is about 5 to 8 interviews for a small company, or for a bigger company, it can go on for 3 months. But usually when I do AI audits, it is not a really huge process. It usually takes only 1 to 2 weeks, where I'm on the call or one of my team members is on the call, asking questions to discover um, where the bottlenecks are. So we look at internal and external type solutions. So internal, think accounting, think administration; external, think marketing and sales. And so with our AI expertise, we look at the use case, the bottlenecks, all the flows. We map out all the flows, and then we look at, okay, what can we build? So what software stack do we use? What is feasible? Dreamforce threats, which I will go into a sec, uh, which is based on the matrix. What's legal, and what the hell is even possible, right? And then we go into phase two, where we rank all these use cases, which is based on difficulty and impact. Impact basically meaning it solves a bottleneck, it generates ROI. Difficulty meaning how difficult it is. And this is based on our experience. And so on this matrix, everything on the left hand side is usually something the team wanted to implement, but it doesn't produce meaningful ROI or impact that makes sense to implement. So we just skip those. And then the use cases with high impact, we implement those. And so then we calculate, um, if it's possible, how much hours do we save. Usually we don't fire someone, but we do make a team more productive, which saves hours, which means ROI, because you can focus on more revenue producing activities. And so, okay, hours saved, the AI cost, and AI development cost. So basically, if you were to work with us, how much you would pay us to develop it, which is based on, again, difficulty and impact. And then out of that, you will have an ROI. Most companies that work with us see a 8 to 10x ROI. So an audit is always well worth the investment, just because you can see what you actually should implement and what you should not implement. Because usually, medical spa owners or any business owner is just getting bombarded with emails, with phone calls saying, "Hey, I have this new thing, it's awesome." But what you actually need is just an audit to see what you need at that time. So usually, I recommend doing an audit once a year. Um, but this is basically it. So if you are a business owner and want this for your own company, comment down below audit, or just connect with me and send me a message. And then I hope to see you soon. Cheers.